super rare. So, this is part 2, guys. Ayan. So, this is super duper
But I
rare.
have some galaxy.
This is the rare one.
Because she have some face. So very
Yeah.
cute.
Guys, parang sobrang mahal niyan. Kasi andyan yung face. Dito wala tong face, guys eh. So,
And she
Ayan.
don't have some any details in here.
Mine too. Look.
So I think I'm going
Um,
to trade this one.
So, I'm going to trade this one. So, accept.
Accept.
Okay.
Oh my God. Ikaw kasi.
so eto siya. Oh my gosh, nabalik ko na yung glitter dumpling ko sa isa kong pinsan.
Oh my God. 3, 2, 1. I think I got the rare one because she said I'm going to get a rare one. This is not good because it's still very small and not heavy. What the? Where you get the green one? I'm gonna find you. He's not close. He's not there. He's not there. Bro, why she's not close? Where is she?